Greetings esteemed and valued clients and dear subscribers, this is Ison. In this video we will thoroughly review the most advanced and powerful surveillance camera available. It has an incredible 36x zoom, allowing you to see a person's face or a car's license plate in detail from hundreds of meters away. It is a pan-tilt camera, rotating left, right and up, down 355 degrees around its axis. It has the best Sony sensor, the best processor, 2K resolution, advanced human tracking function, and so on and so forth. The best and simultaneously the most expensive surveillance camera in the Ison surveillance camera lineup, model Ison. Ison S&P 50 with PC IP50SPTZ 57AI. We will have a detailed video review. I will tell you all about this surveillance camera. We will also look at a recording example. So, to start, the package includes an additional power supply. A power supply is only needed when you connect the camera without a video recorder. That is, there is a slot for an SD card inside. You can insert an SD card, record onto it, connect to such a power supply, and the camera can operate autonomously without a video recorder. The camera also supports PoE power supply, which means you can connect a twisted pair cable to the Ison recorder, and then this power adapter is not needed. Here it uses standard PoE power, not high PoE, meaning it is compatible with all Ison recorders, NVR04 PoE, NVR16 PoE, NVR08 PoE. This camera is fully compatible with all these models in terms of power supply and other functions. Also included are protective caps. The manual is detailed for all options. The camera is versatile, it can be installed both indoors and outdoors. It comes in a metal casing, protection class IP66, it works in any rain or snow. It operates in a temperature range from -60 to +55 degrees. As I mentioned, this is a camera with electronic control. It has 36x zoom and can rotate up and down, left and right, up to 355 degrees. And all these options can be controlled remotely and conveniently, and you can also set automatic operating modes, if needed. That is, there is a patrol tour option, which is useful. You can set points for the camera to move on its own. There is also a human tracking option. If a person appears in the frame, it will automatically start following them. You can also control the camera from a phone, tablet or computer. You can purchase separate 5Z remotes through the video recorder. They are also sold by us. This means you can control the camera using a joystick and certain presets. This is convenient when you have a security guard on site and several such surveillance cameras installed. What types of locations are these high-class cameras most commonly installed? Is it large areas, some kind of production facilities, or large enterprises? Such cameras are also often installed in private homes as an addition to the existing system. For example, you can install one or two of these cameras. They scan your property, and you have several more stationary surveillance cameras that focus on specific points to minimize the number of blind spots on your property and ensure smart perimeter protection. This setup allows you to access the cameras from your phone at any time, rotate them as needed, and zoom in to closely and carefully examine any given situation. As previously and clearly mentioned, this camera features the best Sony sensor, which is Japanese and completely original. It is definitely and absolutely not a copy, replica or counterfeit. This features the most powerful existing night IR LED illumination up to 120 meters based on the latest generation of modern IR LED diodes. They don't have the problem of burning out after 6 months or a year. These are powerful, high-quality diodes that will serve you for many years. All Ison surveillance cameras come with a 3-year warranty. The lifespan of all cameras is designed to be 10 years. This means that with proper use, your cameras will last around 10 years. The camera comes with all the most advanced options. This includes WDR technology, which enhances image quality in poor or incorrect lighting conditions. I have told you many times that buying a surveillance camera without this technology is essentially money wasted. Because no matter where you place your surveillance cameras, several times a day you will encounter situations where the camera lens will be hit by sunlight or, conversely, fall into shadow. With a regular surveillance camera without this tech, faces in the frame and car license plates will be black and you won't see anything. Here, that problem doesn't exist. This camera's special technology solves this issue. It's the original WDR technology, not a copy or fake. The same goes for 3DNR technology. This technology improves image quality in nighttime conditions. Without this technology, your picture will have a lot of noise in night shooting conditions. There is a special technology here that solves this problem. Ison also has ready-made surveillance camera systems called Ison Crete Pro X. These are complete sets that include everything necessary for these cameras to work. This is a camera, DVR, power supplies, hard drives, etc., cable with connectors. There are modifications from 1 to 64 cameras. So if you need multiple surveillance cameras for this, check out these ready-made kits. Everything is already assembled and prepared so that you can launch this camera right out of the box. Take it out of the box, plug it in, and everything will work. If you have any questions about this camera, ask our managers. Write in the comments below this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.